meet magical souls, and welcome back to another magical video. So I'm so excited to be filming a House of Night Goddess Nyx inspired ritual video. I tuned in with Goddess Nyx and created this beautiful ritual. I'm so excited, guys. Happy Pisces new moon. I'm so excited for the new moon because it's a time of new change and manifestation that we can have, and it's so neat. I took a break from doing rituals with Goddess Nyx publicly with you guys for a while. It's been about 6 months, and the last book in the series was talking about love and how have compassion, and it's always love, who we are is love and everything. And it's neat because with that, this Pisces new moon is all about the loving energy, and I want to give credit to foreverconsciousness.com by Tans. Thank you so much for this info that I used to help me with working with Goddess Nyx to create this beautiful new moon ritual. So some information I'm going to share with you guys from them was very beneficial. It's a Pisces new moon. At this time with the energy of the new moon, it carries a lot of creative energy, so let's getting our creativity growing, guys. It'd be a perfect time to call upon your muse like we are in this video. So all your creativity, doing the little things in life, making your food look a little extra cuter so you just feel good, and just using your creativity. So it's going to be a really good time for that. Also, Venus and Neptune are active together at this moment, so their energies are going to open our heart and help us dive into the depths of our spiritual gifts more easier, and it's unlocking that heart energy love. As one, these two planets remind us of unconditional love, reminding me of Avalokiteshvara, Guan Yin, Buddha. So basically, she's the goddess of compassion, Buddha of compassion. That's the energy that's going on right now, guys. Remember, you're always loved by Spirit, the divine creator, God, and all the ascended masters. They're always with you. They always love you. Have faith. Love is who you are, and love is what you will return to. I just love all this information. Thank you so much, Tans. So thank you so much, foreverconsciousness.com, Tans, for the information about this new moon. So it's a Pisces new moon, guys. Water energy, but there's just so much love and creativity that's going to be unlocked during this special time. So without further ado, let's get into the video and start the magical ritual. Thanks again to Goddess Nyx and foreverconscious.com for helping give me some information. Also, guys, remember to check out my Etsy shop, Mystic Priestess, because I have some magical tools and herbs that you can use in your magic as well. Alright, guys, let's get into the ritual. So instead of using my cauldron today, guys, I'm just going to use the incense. I'm using a jasmine one. You can use whatever you guys want to cleanse your space, get the mood going for your ritual. So I'm going to go ahead and let this burn for a little bit, and then make the flame go out. And now the incense burning, so I smudge you guys of any lower vibrations, lower energies, stagnant energies. May they be recycled into the violet flames of heaven, reborn into an immense ball of positivity. As it is my will, may it be done, so mote it be. So much blessing and cleansing energies to you guys. I've already casted a sacred space, a protective circle, so I recommend you guys do that as well. And the spell will be in the comment section down below and description box for you guys to go ahead and read. So without further ado, let's get into the ritual, guys. So the first part is a prayer, a starter before you call upon the elements. So what it says is, divine aspects of the universe, come forth. Unconditional love and compassion, you are one in the same. Unto me I seek your sacred flame. Flare me up with your embrace. May my heart feel your divine connection on this blessed Pisces new moon night. And now going to the element of earth. Earth, to you my connection is vast, growth and ever-changing. As you grow and evolve, so do I. May you bring forth the magnified energies of creativity on this blessed night. Beautiful muse of mine, I also call to you. Inspire my soul to feel completely whole. Air, through this divine time of mine, I ask you to amplify my intentions on this sacred night. I ask for wealth in heart and soul to be abundantly bright in all areas of my life. May I always feel your gentle embrace. Fire, unlock the compassion and love in our hearts and remind us of who we truly are, and being made of pure love. May this universal memory bless me always, knowing that I'm always loved and supported. Waters of divine truth, with planets perfectly aligned, astrology and all that is. May my life and world be at peace once more. I manifest compassion and love to all life, no matter how small. May we all get along. Spirit of the divine, I call upon your glowing light. Universal guardians, hear my call. As this earth progresses and my chapters change for the highest good of all, may you always bless and protect me in your divine embrace. Thank you always, so mote it be. And that is our little ritual, guys. So it's snowing outside right now, guys, and I can't really film outside because it's snowing crazy, and inside my window, if I open it, it's gonna be really cold. So I just have Heavenly Fire invoke with the element of fire, guys, so any lower vibrations that are smudged will go deep in it. But I don't have my cauldron burning today because I don't want my room to be too smoky and no way for the air to get out, the smoke. So anyways, I do have some neat herbs on Mystic Priestess. I did want to let you guys also know that you can purchase as well and include into your magic rituals and craft. I have dogwood leaves that represent the 5 elements as well as the Christ consciousness energy, very sacred. I have Russian sage, smudge sticks, which are great, guys. I love using before and after my ritual. They are amazing. And yeah, I have some neat stuff for you guys on there too, so be sure to check it out. I hope you guys enjoyed this magical video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to Goddess Nyx, the elements, the new moon. Blessed be everyone. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those post notifications down below so you guys can be notified for all of my future content. And be sure to check out Mystic Priestess as well, guys, my new Etsy shop. I relaunched it and I have stable internet now, so I'm so excited. So many fun things are going to be coming to the shop just due to some things going on in the world. It's going to take a little bit longer for some items to come to me so I can make some neat stuff for you guys. I just can't wait, but I do have a couple things on sale over there if you guys want to do your magic and rituals and you need a little herb, a little smudge stick, a little something something. I got you covered, so be sure to check that out. And like always, from heaven to earth, by air, by fire, by water, by spirit, in the name of Goddess Nyx, may you guys all be blessed and rejuvenated in her loving embrace. May it be as above, so below, so mote it be. May we meet, may we part, and may we meet again, magical souls. Blessed be.